Hello, here are my top 3 Cosmic Kids videos to build kids' confidence. First, a yoga story, Stella the stick insect. Sometimes kids are impressed by the confidence of other kids, so try to shortcut confidence and just copy them and their behaviour. In this video, along with Stella, the kids learn to let go of trying to be like others and tune into their own sense of expression, which ultimately puts them in a more grounded, confident place. Next, another yoga story, Norris, the baby seahorse. When Norris is bullied, his confidence takes a real knock. He emerges with a greater appreciation of himself and a realisation that real confidence grows through kindness, acceptance of others and respect. Finally, the I Can't monster, one of our Zenden mindfulness videos. Lots of parents tell me this one has been huge for helping build their kids' confidence. It's all about self-talk, the inner critic, something we all have and do, and kids do too. So in this video, we give kids a way to notice it, get aware of when it happens so we can nip that little critter in the bud before it takes its toll on our confidence.